Life in a house deep in the jungle, completely isolated from modern civilization. A journey to restore a desolate shelter and experience true survival. Follow me as I survive 2 days in the harsh winter cold of minus 25 degrees Celsius inside a rudimentary jungle house. From setting up a makeshift tent and building a fire to keep warm to maintaining daily life, this adventure offers many useful camping and survival skills. You'll witness the transformation of the natural landscape as thick snow covers and then melts away, revealing a quiet yet challenging forest, where every small action determines survival.